was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted.
Y'all, hope y'all doing good today. I wanted to show y'all this wig I was sent from UNICE Hair. They were so nice to send me out a 5x5 HD closure wig. I think they sent me a 24-inch density. It was a 180 or a 150. I'm gonna have the correct information in the description box for y'all if y'all are interested. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the wig, and I wanted to show you guys how I reinstall my wigs. All right, y'all, so this wig, again, I am reinstalling this wig. So I did wear it before. When I originally wore it, I was going to do an initial install video, but I ran out of time to do it. So what better way to show you guys how I would reinstall my wig than right now. So the last time I wore this wig, I glued it down. And when I tell y'all, like, the lace on this wig, especially especially gluing it down, baby, unclockable. Okay, now y'all know I love to do glueless methods, especially when I want it for a temporary hold. And even with the glueless method, the lace was unclockable. So their HD lace is really good, really thin, really fine. Love it so much. But yeah, y'all, with the wig and stuff and the hair and all of that, I love the quality of this wig and the hair. I had no issues. Again, I went out of town with this wig, so I wore it for about 5 to 7 days straight. Okay, like, I didn't take it off for anything, and it held up so good. I curled it every day while I had the wig on and styled it up, and I'm able to, like, still wear the wig. It's still giving, like, fresh wig, like how I had it when I first got it. Again, I did wear it for a week, so it's not like I wore it for a long time. But if you take care of your wigs, y'all, use the proper tools and the proper products, I promise you your wigs can last if they're great quality. And I must say, UNICE Hair, they definitely sold me on the quality of this wig. So if you're interested in this wig or company, again, their information is in the description box. Be sure to, of course, do your research on this company or any hair company, because it's only, I'm only going by what I experienced, but I had a great experience this go around with UNICE. So big ups to them. Thank them. I want to thank them so much for allowing me to try out this wig. And I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the footage. Love y'all so much for coming through to watch my videos. I love y'all. I'm going to talk to you guys later.
side.